Hello friends, today's topic, how was markets before and after budget, 10 year statistics. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. The Indian stock market is going through a bearish phase currently. As of now, investors are pessimistic and markets are down around 12 to 15% from their 52 weeks high. The government will announce a union budget on February 1, that is Saturday. Stock markets will be open on budget day in spite of it being a Saturday. This decision has been taken so that the markets will react to the budget announcement the same day rather than wait till Monday. As usual, investors are hoping for market-friendly announcements. However, we will need to see what announcements are made. Nifty performance before and after budget. 28th February 2013, that was the budget day, returns 1 month prior minus 1.9%, returns 6 months later plus 4.9%. I am only telling you the statistics of 1 month earlier, 6 months later, and avoid rest of the things in order to keep the video as short as possible. 17th February 2014, returns 1 month earlier plus 3.1%, returns 6 months after plus 9.6%. 10th July 2014, returns 1 month earlier plus 0.6% and returns 6 months after plus 13%. 28th February 2015, returns 1 month prior 1.1%, returns 6 months later 1.9%. 29th February 2016, returns 1 month prior minus 2.5%, returns 6 months later plus 10%. 1st February 2017, returns 1 month prior plus 3.9%, returns 6 months after plus 14.2%. 1st February 2018, returns 1 month prior plus 6.2%, returns 6 months after plus 7.7%. 1st February 2019, returns 1 month prior minus 0.3%, returns 6 months later plus 10.7%. 5th July 2019, returns 1 month prior minus 0.7%, returns 6 months later minus 2.1%. 1st February 2020, returns 1 month prior plus 1.2%, returns 6 months after minus 17.8%. 1st February 2021, returns 1 month prior plus 2.8%, returns 6 months after plus 16.7%. 1st February 2022, returns 1 month prior minus 0.4%, returns 6 months after plus 2.3%. 1st February 2023, returns 1 month prior minus 1.4%, returns 6 months after plus 6.5%. 1st February 2024, returns 1 month prior 0.8%, returns 6 months after plus 8%. 8th July 2024, returns 1 month prior plus 1.3%, returns 6 months after plus 7.7%. Now the summary. Number 1. Out of the 15 budgets, full and interim, since 2013, on 6 occasions, 40%, it gave negative returns for the period of 1 month before budget. 2. The Nifty performance 1 month after the budget was negative on 7 occasions out of 15, that is 47%. The average returns for 1 month after budget is 0.35%. 3. The Nifty performance 3 months after the budget was negative on 7 occasions out of 15, that is 47%. The average returns for 3 months after budget is 0.92%. 4. The Nifty performance 6 months after the budget was negative on only 2 occasions out of 15, that is 13% negative. The average returns for 6 months after budget is 6.22%. 5. So, historical data shows that the 1 month and 3 month data of Nifty performance after budget is quite flat. However, the performance of the market 6 months after the budget is most likely to be positive and the returns could be on an average 6%. If historical data holds good for this year too, we can expect markets to trade in a range for some more months after the budget while the economic situation in India and global improve. Although it will be a difficult situation for many investors who expect a lot of action in the markets, it will be a great situation for investors who invest in a disciplined manner. It is said that in bear markets, we need to concentrate on increasing the quantity of our stocks and mutual fund units held so that in bull market we can enjoy the appreciation of our investment when stock prices are high. We need to be mentally strong for long-term investing. Long-term wealth creation looks easy but is not simple to do since there will be plenty of ups and downs in the journey. So apart from learning the quantitative side of investing, you must also work and develop the qualitative factors to become a successful investor since both of the above are very important. End of the video, here is the question. Have you been continuing your SCP-SIP without any miss? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.